Well, I think clearly the market liked this press conference and what the people had to say. And really, if you there is a lot of collaboration going on, and behind the scenes, there's not just a lot of collaboration going on between the government and the people that were standing there with the president. There's a lot of collaboration going on between the U.S. and around the world with scientists trying to figure this out. And I think this press conference brought that home. And, on the bounce in this market, Jim's right. I mean, when's the last time we've gone home with a smile on our face on a Friday? It's been a while, because nobody wanted to go home long, because God only knew what the news that was going to come out over the weekend about the coronavirus was going to be. And it was negative most of the time. So you had some people that were short. There was some short covering. But really, if you look at where did we need some good news? You need some good coronavirus news, some good fiscal stimulus news. You need some good oil news, just a little bit of it. And we got good news in all three of those today. So, when you see things like the Chicago Board Options Exchange put-to-call ratio, on Monday it was 1.12. On yesterday, it was 1.28. I mean, you only see those in complete panic sell-offs, and always, virtually every time when you see the levels above 1 and that far above 1, you're within a few days of a really good bounce. And I think all of those things combined to really put the market really closing at the high of the day. This was a pretty impressive rally today.
Stephanie, we haven't seen Republicans and Democrats come together in Congress to approve a significant funding bill, corporate funding bill yet, but we've just seen the executive surprise to the upside on action, and yesterday we saw the central bank do so as well. Does that do enough to start to turn the market sentiment and move it to the upside in a more prolonged fashion than we've seen in the last couple of weeks?
I think so, very much so. Look, the market doesn't like uncertainty, and we still have a lot of uncertainty. But confidence is also important. And I think the press conference, the tone and the confidence, not only by Trump and Pence, but the CEOs, was really very impressive. And if you notice, when the market really started to take off, it was when Dr. Deborah Bricks actually spoke and gave the detail, the level of detail that is going on behind the scenes. And I think that surprised to the upside. So, yeah, we do need fiscal policies. We have the monetary policies. Let's see what happens. As I said earlier on, we are not out of the woods yet. Volatility is here to stay for a while. We're going to get 4 million tests next week, 5 million in a month. So let's just see the numbers and take it one day by day. That's why I have been nibbling every day, because I can't time it. But I do know 6 to 8 months down the road, this is probably behind us.
Scott Wren, thanks so much for joining us. Stephanie Link, also our thanks to you.